Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in CREO software. The base dimension is 110/75 and there is one more flange 80, thickness is 20. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select front plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions. This is 25 mm and here to here 20. This length is 110. This is 80 plus 25, 105. Here give the constraint. So finish sketch, select extrude, here select symmetric 75 mm. Next there is a 18 into 18 chamfer, select chamfer 18 mm, select two edges. Next there is a one rib, thickness is 15 mm, dimension is 50 and 75. Select the plane, sketch, select reference, select line, give the dimension, 70, 50 mm. Finish sketch, select profile rib, thickness is 15 mm. Next there is a one cutout 35, height is 14 mm. Select this surface, sketch, select the line, select reference first, select this, select line, here create center line, give the dimension 35, this is 60 degree, this length is 35, height is 14 mm. This we can give 0. Select this, okay, finish sketch, select extrude, remove material, reverse direction, here select through all. That's it friends, you can compare both the drawings. If anything is missing, please leave the comment below. We can assign the material here. Go to view, select appearances, here select name and thumbnails. You can see there are all the materials here. You can select which material you require as per your projects. I will go with aluminum. Select the part, assign. So go to edit model appearances, color. We can edit the color here like this. Finally, save the part wherever you want. Control S. I will save my desktop. Okay. So that's the today's session friends. If you like this session, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching this session friends.